Hey, what up guys? It's been a while since you know, I put up a video. I told myself I would, but I definitely haven't. But I'm back and I'm here to do an install video. I got a little funky. It was pretty cheap, but I'll link it down in the description. I got myself a PA system and we're gonna do that today. So I got it off Amazon for like 30 bucks. It's nothing crazy, just something for fun. Alright, what comes in it? I already opened it and wired it and stuff, so my bad. It's not too big. I already wired the ends to have these little caps on them, or not really caps, but to go onto the terminals on the battery. And then comes with this. Obviously has all these little, if it focuses, those alarms and stuff. Don't impersonate the cops. You will get in trouble. So with my hood being so light, it being carbon fiber, it's so light that when I pull the latch for this, right there, it sometimes doesn't open all the way. So my solution, a level, kind of just, oh, hey, it opened. Never mind. It opened. See, I got lucky. Either way, for my hood still being so light, because it's obviously carbon fiber and it's real, I have to lift it and I gotta put this jack on, or this level up right here. My ghetto ass. As you can see, you know, that's how I do it. Wire it obviously to the battery, the positive and negative right here. You can run the negative to basically any metal spot like so, but I'm already gonna wire it over here, so I might as well just do both because I'm lazy and don't want to find another spot. And to run the wire through the firewall, I did it on my brake and I kind of pushed it out already, but my sub wire runs through there, and that's my grommet for my main relay, and I pushed it out already. So it has, I don't know, you can't see it, but if I pull it, there's enough space for me to get this little wire through for this to connect to. And I'm gonna put the, what do you call it, the actual horn behind the grill, and there's a little bracket in there that I'm gonna just zip tie it to. First thing off, I'm gonna check, I'm gonna put them on the battery, put that on the battery, and then I'm gonna see if it works first, just so I don't wire everything and it not work and I gotta pull everything out and return it. So let's do that. The negative side on this battery is a 10, which mostly it is. So I'm just gonna loosen that just a little bit to get this nut off. And then, if I can go in the right way, that's where I am. And I wasn't, and obviously. So you're just gonna get both terminals off, or the nuts, so I can put these on the nuts and just tighten them down. Now that the nuts are off both sides, what you're gonna do is just place these on here, like so. Our mother effer, the threads are bigger than this, so I'm gonna compromise. I'm gonna go under like this, just that. Pull the bolt back on and just crank it back down. Shouldn't probably put it, oh actually you know what, I said what I was meaning is that don't touch it if both terminals are on, for you electrocute yourself, but oh well, do it for the videos. And same thing with this side. Alright, so now that both are tightened down, focuses right there, that one's on that one, that one's cranked on that one. I'm gonna plug this mic up to it and I'm gonna see if it works. If it doesn't work, I'm pretty sure it's because this side right here is not really connected, it's just kind of shoved under there. So I'm gonna see if it works. Plug this in right here, these together, oh, and then get a little bit away from that. Let's see if it works. Hey. 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 It worked. So now that I know that it works, that those connections are good, I'm gonna undo them and I'm gonna rewire everything. First thing I'm gonna do to get into the grill, I don't have to take off the full bumper, so I'm gonna take off just this plastic cover that's covering it. It's just some push pins and some 10mm bolts. Trying to figure out why this isn't coming off all the way. It's because there's a wire running through here and there's pins holding in the wire. So basically what you want to do is go in there and there's little clips in here. You're gonna just pinch with some needle noses and it'll pop out. Basically got it removed. There's just like these little clips with this wire on it. I'm not really gonna take it off because I got entrance to this to zip tie the speaker to. So I'm just gonna find a little place to zip tie that through. Maybe actually might do it to the brace down here, but I'll figure it out and I'll let you know. Alright, so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna latch it to right on the bumper behind that, on that brace right there. And I'm just gonna zip tie it on there and then run all the wires to the battery and then through this way under, tuck it under everything and run it to the grommet into the fire. So I got it in, zip tied in right through the middle, and it's kind of jank. I'm gonna point it that way forward and kind of find a way to keep this a little bit more stable so it's not just bouncing there. There's 3 holes on the bracket right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use these self tappers and I'm just gonna fucking send it. I'm gonna fucking send it right through the little brace and that's it. Alright, so I went into work and just got one of these because I couldn't fit a regular screwdriver to get into this tight of a space. So I'm gonna go in and tap these in. So not even like 5 seconds after that clip, I realized I cannot get the head of this gun in between that right there. So I'm gonna have to unbolt that speaker off the bracket and then just do it like that. Alright, that was actually really easy. So took it off and put the 3 self tappers in. Now I'm gonna put the speaker back on and see how it fits. Alright, I got it in. Now to wire everything. Looks friggin' fits perfect. And I got the power side going all the way through here, under this little cover, under that, and then I'm just gonna let that sit right there for now until I get everything wired up, and then I'll put the bolts and stuff on there. Now I'm gonna wire the actual cord to the speaker or the microphone into through the grommet. Alright, kinda got it peeking into the grommet. I'm gonna go inside the car and hopefully it'll be there. Should be, oh, I see it. It's right there. And bam, right through the firewall. Now I'm gonna push that grommet back in so no water gets in here. And just like that, got the grommet in. Now I just wanna clean this wire up. Is kind of, actually, you know what, I can't even do much because that's about the length of it. It's kind of not flexing right there. So I'm just gonna leave that. I'm gonna wire that back on and I'm gonna put everything together and then we'll test it out. All right, everything's plugged in, ready to go. All this is put back, covers on. Let's take this microphone. Let's go try this out. Let's hope that it works. So I'm gonna plug this wire in real quick. Let's try it out. All right, I got it plugged in. Plugged in. Just gonna see. I'm gonna see if it works. Hey. It does work. It's working. So I'm gonna go see. I'm gonna just drive around, do some testers. I'll put it at the end of the video, but that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy. my car especially is super easy. So just I'll put the link down in the description. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want more G37 stuff, because I see a lot that there's not a lot of stuff on there, if that makes sense. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll be back.